non-tariff barriers or NTBs? Let's start with a quick refresher. Remember, tariffs are taxes imposed on imported goods, making them more expensive. Non-tariff barriers, as the name suggests, are any obstacles to trade that don't involve tariffs. These barriers can be just as effective, if not more so, at restricting trade and protecting domestic industries. Types of non-tariff barriers. Non-tariff barriers come in various shapes and sizes. Let's take a closer look at some common types. Technical barriers to trade, or TBT. These are regulations or testing procedures that products must meet to be sold in a particular market. While often intended to protect consumers or the environment, they can also be used to discriminate against foreign products. For example, a country might require specific labeling requirements or technical specifications that are difficult for foreign producers to meet. Sanitary and phytosanitary SPS measures. These regulations are aimed at protecting human, animal, or plant health from risk associated with imported products. For instance, a country might impose strict inspections on imported food to prevent the spread of pests or diseases. Import licensing and quotas. Some countries require importers to obtain licenses or limit the quantity of certain goods that can be imported. This can create significant hurdles for foreign businesses trying to enter a market. Government procurement policies. These policies dictate how government agencies purchase goods and services. They might give preferential treatment to domestic suppliers, making it harder for foreign companies to win government contracts. Subsidies. We touched on subsidies in our previous lecture. While they can be used to support infant industries, they can also distort trade by giving domestic producers an unfair advantage over foreign competitors. Intellectual property rights. Weak enforcement of intellectual property rights such as patents or copyrights can discourage foreign companies from investing or trading in a country, as their innovations might be copied or stolen. Why do countries use NTBs? There are various reasons why countries might resort to non-tariff barriers. Protect domestic industries. NTBs can shield domestic producers from foreign competition, giving them a chance to grow and become more competitive. Public health and safety. Some NTBs are generally aimed at ensuring the safety and quality of products for consumers. Environmental protection. Certain NTBs can help protect the environment by restricting the import of harmful substances or products. National security. In some cases, countries might use NTBs to protect industries deemed critical for national security, such as defense or energy. Impact of NTBs. Non-tariff barriers can have significant economic and social consequences. They can hinder trade. NTBs can create complex and time-consuming procedures for businesses, making it more difficult to trade across borders. Distort markets. NTBs can distort competition and create an uneven playing field, favoring domestic producers. Addressing NTBs. The World Trade Organization plays a key role in addressing non-tariff barriers. It provides a forum for countries to negotiate and resolve trade disputes related to NTBs. Additionally, regional trade agreements often include provisions to reduce or eliminate NTBs among member countries. The bottom line. Non-tariff barriers are a complex issue in international trade. While they can serve legitimate purposes, they can also create significant obstacles to trade and economic growth. It is important for businesses and policymakers to understand the different types of NTBs and their potential impact on trade.